Hey there. If you're dealing with the frustration of no audio or no sound coming from your LG monitor, don't worry, you're in the right place. Whether you're watching your favorite show or diving into a gaming session, sound is an integral part of the experience. In this guide, we'll explain step by step how to fix LG monitor no audio, no sound, and get you back to enjoying seamless multimedia experience. Step 1. Check the basic connections. First off, ensure that your connections are secure and correctly configured. Check if your audio cable is properly connected to both your LG monitor and your computer or other device. If you're using HDMI, which typically carries both video and audio signals, make sure it's firmly plugged in on both ends. Sometimes simply resetting the cable can resolve the issue. Also, test the cable on another device to rule out the possibility of a faulty cable. Step 2. Adjust audio settings on your computer. Next, we'll take a look at your computer's audio settings. On a Windows PC, right-click the sound icon in the taskbar and select Playback Devices. Ensure your LG monitor is set as the default playback device. If it's not visible, right-click and select Show Disabled Devices, then enable the monitor. For Mac users, head to System Preferences, Sound, and ensure that your LG monitor is selected as the output device. Verify volume settings to ensure the levels aren't muted or set too low. Step 3. Update drivers and firmware. Keeping your drivers and monitor's firmware up to date can also solve the sound issues. For Windows, go to Device Manager and expand the Sound, Video, and Game Controller section. Right-click on your audio device and select Update Driver. You can also visit LG's official website to download and install any available firmware updates for your specific monitor model. This step ensures that your devices can communicate effectively. Step 4. Inspect on-screen display settings. Sometimes the problem resides within your monitor's on-screen display settings. Use the buttons on your LG monitor to navigate to the sound settings. Make sure that volume is turned up and that any mute options are disabled. Adjustable settings might differ across models, so consult your user manual for exact instructions tailored to your monitor. Step 5. Test with another source. Still having issues? It may be time to test your monitor with a different audio source. Connect a separate device, such as a gaming console or a Blu-ray player, to your LG monitor. If the sound works with another device, the issue might be rooted in your initial device's settings or hardware. This process can help identify whether the problem is with your monitor or the device it's connected. Step 6. Consider hardware repair or replacement. If all else fails, the issue might be hardware related. Your LG monitor's internal speakers could be malfunctioning. If the monitor is under warranty, contact LG support for assistance and possible replacement. Alternatively, consider using external speakers or headphones for sound output as a temporary workaround. Experiencing no audio or no sound on your LG monitor can be a hassle, but thankfully, most issues can be resolved with some troubleshooting. From checking basic connections to updating drivers and testing with different sources, these steps are designed to help you identify and tackle the problem efficiently. Always ensure your devices are up to date and consult user manuals or support if needed. With these tips, you should be well equipped to fix the LG monitor no audio, no sound issue and enhance your multimedia enjoyment. Enjoy your LG monitor's full capabilities once again.